Hey guys, my name is Yuvraj. Welcome to my channel Technology Zone. I hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. Guys, I'm very happy to inform you that Realme has provided me this box. This box contains their wireless buds, Realme Buds Air 2. So today in this video, I will unbox Realme Buds Air 2. But guys, before unboxing, let me just brief you about the evolution of headphones. First, we have these wired headphones. Then we have these over the neck headphones. These are Bluetooth ones from BoomPods. And then we got this small sports headphones. These are also Bluetooth. These are from MI. These are MI Bluetooth headphones. And now today we are having the wireless headphones, the truly wireless headphones. That means you will not have any wire. You just have to plug in those headphones in your ear and you can enjoy your music. So in this time when we all are working from home during this pandemic, the demand for the true wireless headphones has increased drastically, and Realme in the 2020 has introduced in the first Realme Buds Air, and this is the successor of the OG Realme Buds Air, which is Realme Buds Air 2. So I'm very excited. So let me just start the unboxing experience, guys. So this is the box I received from Blue Dart today. So let me just cut this plastic. Guys, this is available in the market. You can buy it from Flipkart as well as from Realme's official store. The price of the Realme Buds Air 2 is 3,299. This is one of their most refined product, I should say. It has been launched a month ago in our country. So Realme is the pioneer of truly wireless headphones right from Buds Air, and this is their second gen of truly wireless, which is Buds Air 2. So very good packaging, I should say. Yeah, it's almost open. So let me just keep this aside for now. And this is the box, guys. So I just need to cut this box. This is my scissor. And let me just cut this one. Guys, the packaging is very good. Very well protected. The product will not get damaged. They ensured that due to the packaging. Just need to take this out, and inside I think we got the box of Realme Buds Air 2. So the box comes inside this protective covering. So guys, here is the first look of Realme Buds Air 2, the truly wireless headphones from Realme. So let me just keep these things aside for now, and let us begin the unboxing. Very simple packaging. And guys, behind the package some key features are written like ANC. This Realme Buds Air 2 has active noise cancellation, then 25 hours total playback, then is 88 mm super low latency. This means you will enjoy very low latency during the time of gaming. Obviously I will test these things once I review this product. Then there is the 10 mm hi-fi driver which is present, both the stems, and transparency mode means the sound quality is much more good over here, and 10 minutes charge for 120 minutes of playback. That means it supports fast charging. So let me just cut this package. These days many brands are bringing their truly wireless. Realme has this, even Xiaomi has also brought their Mi Bluetooth headphones. I think their price is around 3,500. So you will get nice headphones these days at around 3,500 to 4,000 rupees. So the plastic wrap has been removed. Now I think just need to cut this. Yeah, just need to pull this lid, and right in the beginning we have this product. Let me just show you guys. So this is the product in white color. Realme Buds Air 2 comes in two colors. This is white, another one is black. I will advise you, if you buy this product, buy it in white color, because the black color will attract a lot of fingerprints. So let me just peel this plastic. Yeah, and let me keep this aside for a time being. And this is the box inside which the Buds Air was there, and this is the pamphlet, normal product pamphlet, like basic instructions which you can go through if you want to know further. and over here just need to remove this, and I think, yeah, these are the extra ear tips for your Realme Buds Air for if you have some various sizes. And then, oh my god, see this color, yellow color, type A to type C cable for charging. This supports fast charging, guys, by the way. So let me just keep these things aside for the time being and focus on the start of the show, which is Realme Buds Air 2. So guys, this is the product Realme Buds Air 2, and right in the first impression I will say that this is a very handy product, very small product, and it looks somehow like Apple AirPods, I should say, but okay, it's fine. We are getting a good product, I should not complain. So this is magnetic, just need to pull this lid and the product comes. See, this is one and this is. So just need to take this product out. This is the stem. Chrome finish is there. This gives a very distinctive look. This differentiates from the competition because I haven't seen this type of chrome finish in any other truly wireless headphones. This is one, and this is another. It's very easy to pick this up from the box, right? Just you have to pull this, and yeah, again just sits over the box. So this lid is made entirely of plastic, gives a very cobalt shape. Realme Buds Air also I think has the same. But this is entirely plastic, so I just have some doubt, because long run I think it should handle the wear and tear, because Realme generally provides a good quality products. So let us start that how you can activate this. Once you take out this, I think there is some charge left, just need to switch on. You just need to download one app. Let me show you. This is the Realme Link app, which is available both in iOS as well as in Play Store. You just need to download the app. I have already downloaded the app. You have to just sign in the app using your account. Then you just need to do one thing. You have to go to this trend setup, addition option. Just need to click this addition option over here. It will scan. Obviously, you just need to switch on. Let me just switch on this. It's already switched on. So over here, Buds Air 2, it has come. Just need to click it. Just need to tap next. It's searching for the Buds Air. And eventually it will connect. It will take some time, and I think it has some charge left. So guys, just need to charge this, and once I charge this device, and then I will get back to you. So guys, I had charged Realme Buds Air 2 Pro. So this Buds Air 2 has been detected. See, just you have to go to the, I have already told about the Realme Link app, which you can download from the Play Store for the Android and the iOS store, that is App Store for the iPhone. So in the Android, that is in my mobile phone, I have downloaded this app, and once I go to the Realme Link app, there is an option called the add device. Means just you have to go to the over here, there is Realme audio, you have to select the audio, then Realme Buds Air 2, you have to just select Realme Buds Air 2, and as soon as it selects, then you have to click to the next, and you can see Buds Air 2 has automatically been detected. This means this Buds Air 2 has been detected by the Realme Link app. What I need to do is just have to select this. Just have to select this Buds Air 2. Over here it will show pairing request, that whether you want to pair it or not. Obviously I want to pair this Buds Air 2 with the Realme Link app, because a lot of options are available where you can customize according to your own choice. So I have to just click this pair, and once I click this pair, it is pairing right now. So the light is also blinking in the box. So in the case light is blinking, and over here, yeah, pairing failed. The pairing is on the Bluetooth page. Then just have to do one thing, go to the settings, and once you go to the settings, you have to just click this, and it will be paired automatically. So allow access, you can allow access to your, so yeah, the Buds Air 2 has been connected. There is also, right out of the box, I received an update, device update 1.1.0.54. which shows it will optimize the calling quality. It will also support Realme Link iOS version, because the iOS version of the Realme Link app has just been released. So in this version update is 1.1.0.54, this feature has been added. So I will update this later. So I just need to click this later, and right out of the box you will see this app. This is the app interface of the Realme Link, from where you can control your Realme Buds Air 2, and from the options which are available. First option is noise control, that is the active noise cancellation right in the beginning. You can select this noise cancellation, which will eliminate all the external sounds available. So the sound quality which you will receive is very enriching. This normal, that means the normal mode which we use every day, like we will hear some outside noise, and the transparency, that means you will receive but far less external noise. But I will prefer, if you enjoy active noise cancellation, then activate this active noise cancellation. Obviously this will reduce battery to some extent, because Realme is claiming that the Realme Buds Air 2 will give approximately 4 hours of battery backup, and it will take 1 hour to charge this, and 1 hour to charge the case, and after charging the case you will get 3 to 4 cycles of charge for your Realme Buds. I should say that you should activate this active noise cancellation feature, though it will reduce your battery by around 30 minutes, but obviously it supports fast charging, so you can charge whenever there is the requirement. So next feature is sound effect. There are 3 sound effects: bass boost plus, dynamic, and bright. Bass boost means automatically, as the name suggests, it will increase your bass. I think you just need to try one song, which is To Know More About Me by Arctic Monkeys, where you can find the bass very good, as well as Roundabout by Yes. So these are the 2 songs from which you can test the bass boost. And dynamic means it will be more like natural sound, means the song which will have less bass, you will get less bass, and whereas bass boost will add some additional bass in your music. And the bright, which means it will more focused on the instrument. Like if you hear the songs like To Know More About Me, like Arctic Monkeys, where in around 3 minutes there are a lot of music separation. So if you select this bright mode, every music separation can be heard easily. Volume enhancer is by default on, that means automatically the volume will be a little more. Then game mode, obviously as the name suggests, it will be used during the mode of gaming while you are playing your games in your mobile phone. Realme has somehow reduced the latency, like in the Buds Air it was 95 milliseconds, over here it is around 88 milliseconds. So I will test this feature while doing the gaming review. Then it is the other, like in-ear detection, like whenever the Buds Air will be in your ear, it will show that it is in your ear. Auto answer means you can also pick up your calls and cut your calls. And button settings, like you can access your every action in your Buds Air 2, like if you double tap, because this has touch sensitivity control. Realme Buds Air 2 has both Google Wear support as well as touch sensitivity control. Like every feature you can activate using your touch. Like by default, double tap is play and pause, triple tap is next track, touch and hold, that it will switch off your Buds Air 2. Then double tap play music, triple tap next track. Like you can customize it according to your own choice. Guys, this was just my unboxing and initial impression. I haven't used it yet. Like you saw in the earlier part of the video, there was no charge, so I just charged it and set up this Realme Buds Air 2 in the Realme Link app. What I will do is I will just use this both this app as well as Buds Air 2 by listening to various sorts of music of various genres, and I will let you know about my feedback about the review of this, because this promises to be a very good true wireless headphones at 3299. So let's see what Realme has packed in this small little powerhouse. So guys, this was my unboxing and initial impression of Realme Buds Air 2. Hope you like this video. If you have enjoyed, then like this video, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel Technology Zone for more awesome content coming really soon. And guys, please wait for this review, and I should say, if you are planning to buy true wireless headphones, just wait for my review, because I think this is one of the best deals in the market right now. So guys, thank you, take care, bye bye.